now.
Okay. I think that feels right. Yeah.
That's perfect. So when you're ready, mate, staying on the brakes, going to pop you into gear.
Okay.
All you need now is just go forward a bit because we've got a cone right by our front wheel there. So just go forward a bit with a little bit of power and then lock it to the right and join into that photo cue with the Audi and the Atom. So you've got the full lock in there. Awesome. Next to this chap here with the camera, get you scanned in, get you photoed up.
Yeah.
Awesome, stop there for me. So to open your door for the photographer, one finger, gently pull this switch here. It's only a micro switch. When you hear it click,
Okay.
let go of the button, push the door away. That's it, now just push the door away, let go of the button. That's it.
Thank you. Cool.
As soon as you're ready for it, I just want to give it a little bit of power, creep forward. I'm going to join onto the track. I'm sure you're comfortable with the circuit by now?
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Semi.
So take it up a gear there. And join onto the circuit. So up one more. And then just hold it to the left hand side for me. Squeeze on a little bit more power. So up a gear there. So keep that going. Up one more. Keep going. Now the brake board, have a good idea how much pressure you need on the brakes, so have a good play with that. We're going down one, off the brakes of that, aiming for that turn board just there.
Okay.
Reaching that, we're going to go around to the right, aiming for that yellow apex cone. Then let the car flow out to the left hand side. Gently start increasing your power now then for me. So keep that going, taking it up again. Keep going forward. Now take it down again here. So here you want to keep it to the left all the way up to that turn board. Reaching that, then bring the car into the middle of the track with a little bit of power, just maintain your speed. So cool. Aiming for the yellow apex cone on the inside there. Keep over to the right hand side. Squeeze on the power, go past the gear. Up again. Awesome. So you come off the power, don't worry about your brakes.
Okay.
Just reach the turn board, round to the left, aim for the yellow apex cone. Over to the right hand side now then forward, gently feed that power on, use all of the track, and then bring it back to the left. So a little bit more power. Excellent. And then coming off there, braking now for me, nice and firm. Down one, off the brakes of that, and around to the right. That's it, perfect. How's it feel so far?
Felt pretty good. It felt weird having other people around, but it felt good.
A little bit of power, keep it going, we're going to follow all the way around and on to the straight. Excellent. Let the car come over to the left hand side, gently increase the power. Straight up and away you go. Up again there. That's it, and again. Off the power there, and then braking firm now for down again. Down one more. A bit more braking. Off the brakes of that, turn into the right, keep off the power for now, let the car flow out, squeeze on it there. That's it, awesome. Up again, keep going, up one more, off the power there, braking firm now then for me, down again. That's it, we're going to keep it tight to the left, bit more braking and go towards the turn board. Now put the car in the middle of the circuit again, a little bit of power, enough to maintain your speed. That's it, just enough to maintain. Out to the left hand side, now squeeze it on there, use all of the track, up again, then over to the right hand side. Off the power there, brake in there, off the brakes of that, turn it to the left, keep off the power for now. Over to the right, squeeze on the power there. That's it, awesome. dive, but looks to make our way back into the pits. That was the 570.
Yeah, I like that one a lot.
Awesome power delivery, isn't it?
Yeah, I feel like I didn't even like touch half of what it has.
It's like anything though, when you buy a new car or anything like that, you need to get used to it, and then you start to play with it a bit. What we'll do is we'll go in between the DB11 and the Lambo. We'll park up next to the other McLarens, in between these two.
That's
it.
Yep.
That's it, just creep through, and then just go next to the orange McLaren, so leave plenty of room for the doors to come up.
Okay, I'll park right next to it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it, perfect. Lock it over.
Is there plenty of room?
Yeah, you loads of room there. That's
Okay,
awesome. And stop it there.
Yep.
Perfect.